Hi everyone, are you looking for a job as a fresher or as an experienced person? Then we have a golden opportunity at Learnomate Technologies in Pune location. Right now we are looking for sales executive telecaller position in our office. So if you think that you have a very good communication skill, you can reach out to us. We are looking for anyone who is having fresher, or maybe if you have experience, still you can reach out to us. There is no restriction regarding any degree or anything, only the most important thing that we require, that is a communication skill. Another thing is there is no bar to the salary. If you think that you are able to talk with the client, provide them right information and convert them as a lead, then you are at the right path. So this is a 9 to 6 job. You will be working at a daytime and no salary restriction, no degree required. Only the thing which we are looking for is good communication skill. If you think that you are fitting this requirement, please send your profile at info@learnomate.org, or you can directly call us on this number which is mentioned over the screen. Thanks.